Okay, good afternoon, all. Let's start with the lecture. Today, we'll start off with a new chapter that is mastering typing. So, I'll move on to the book first of all. See, we have done Excel and the exercises I've already shared to you people. You can note down the answers from there. And if people find some difficulty there, you can call me up and we can discuss that thing, right? Uh, So in this chapter, what we are going to learn is how to um, do effective typing, how we can improve your typing skills, right? So for that, we should know about different key layouts, the keyboard layouts, the layouts of the keys on the keyboard, and what is the best way to type, right? And there's a software called as rapid typing software, which is also needed. Uh, see, first of all, we'll understand the keyboard layout, right? Keyboard is a very popular and commonly used input device. Keyboard comes in various forms. The most common one, which is used widely, like we use it at homes or it is there in the laptops, it is there in the normal common computers. Yes, Devakar, any problem?
Sir, do we have to write the question answers in our notebook of the previous chapter?
You people must do it because it will give you a practice, right? Do it
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि practice हो जाती है बच्चे. Fine. I have
Okay.
given you everything. वहाँ से आप note down करो. एक written form में लिखोगे तो थोड़ा practice हो जाएगी. Kindly do it. Okay, so I was telling that the most common one used is the QWERTY keyboard. Now, how will you find out that the keyboard is QWERTY? That for that जो first row है alphabets की, उसमें जो first left side से जो 6 letters हैं, that is QWERTY. So this name is given from that particular thing only. These are the 6 keys, alphabetical keys on the topmost row, first row, and it is from the left side. So this will show you that your keyboard is QWERTY type keyboard, right? Now, every keyboard has a certain group of keys. These, which you see here, are called as alphanumeric keys. Alphanumeric keys में सारे alphabets आते हैं और सारे numbers आते हैं, A to Z and numeric 0 to 9, right? Numeric numbers can be seen on the top of it. The topmost row is the number row, right? So after that, we have these 3 rows for the alphabets. Then a second category is a numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is on the right side of the keyboard, where we have these numbers, 9 numbers, 10 numbers, in fact, zero included, and then certain keys for operators like minus, plus, dot, star, divide, right? Numlock and enter. So this portion is your numeric keypad. Then we have certain keys related to punctuation keys. Punctuation keys आपकी जो number keys हैं top पे, उनके साथ भी attached हैं. That can be used with the help of shift key. Like if you press this key, it will print 1, but if you press shift plus 1, it will print exclamation sign. So likewise, ये shift से आप ये सारे different punctuation marks we can use anywhere in typing, right? So similarly, we have some more keys in between, like this is dot, full stop, comma, and all. Then less than, greater than sign, question mark, colon, semicolon, inverted commas, and then brackets, different sort of brackets. These all comes under punctuation keys. Then we also have one set of special keys which are there on the top. They starts from F1 to F12. All these keys have some special meaning. Means F1 has some specific task, like F1 is used for help menu, likewise. So all this from F1 to F12, all these are used for different kind of working and application, right? Then we have alt and control keys, and they are also used in a combination with some other keys. They are all conjunction keys because वो अकेले यूज नहीं होते हैं. alt control आप किसी दूसरी की के साथ यूज कर सकते हो, and it will produce certain control characters, right? कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट्स वगैरह हम इससे यूज कर सकते हैं. escape key is there where we can close certain application, or go for sending special codes to the device. So escape key का भी important use है, right? Now before we move further, there are certain keywords written here. These keywords must be known because ये exam point of view से बहुत important है. What is WPM? It is words per minute. How many words? This is basically the speed of typing. Words per minute means how many words can be typed in 1 minute, right? And then we have characters per minute. So likewise we have characters per minute. Characters in words are different. Words होते हैं group of characters. एक character मतलब एक alphabet. ठीक है, जैसे आपने ए टाइप किया या जेड टाइप किया या फिर स्पेस दबाया या नंबर टाइप किया या कोई कॉमा लगाया. these are all characters. So how many characters you type in 1 minute is CPM, characters per minute. ऐसे ही characters per second is also one type of measurement, speed. So how many characters can be typed in a second, right? Then keystrokes per minute. characters में सिर्फ कैरेक्टर्स आते हैं, अल्फ़ाबेट्स, नंबर्स और स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स. और की स्ट्रोक में आपकी कोई भी की प्रेस हुई हो, स्पेस बार भी आएगी, ऑल्ट भी आएगी, कंट्रोल भी आएगा. लाइकवाइज यहाँ F1, F2, F12 जो फंक्शन कीज हैं वो प्रेस की हैं. So how many keystrokes are made in a minute and how many keystrokes are made in second? So KPM, KPS are the units for that, right? So these all four are used for measuring the typing speed and accuracy, right? Next, we'll move on to user experiences. What is touch typing? Touch typing is method of typing without use of sense of sight. Touch typing का मतलब है बिना देखे टाइप करना, just by feeling the keyboard, right? Without seeing on the keyboard, if you type, that is called as touch typing, right? We do it with the sense of touch, right? So this only can occur if you have a thorough practice of your fingers on the keyboard, right? So ये हम इस सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू सीख सकते हैं. So there are certain rules, there are certain ways we should follow for getting this touch typing in practice. So the fingers get so used to typing that they instantaneously go to the appropriate key, instinctively go to the appropriate key. So the fingers हम ऐसे practice करने के बाद used to हो जाती हैं कि it automatically goes to the character which is required, right? So this will practice in this software. So it works on QWERTY kind of keyboard, right? And so whenever you place your hands on the keyboard, the first the characters that are just next to their fingers are called as home row key characters, right? So let's see the figure. There must be some figure here, right? So the characters are ASDF and JKL, right? So these are the characters on which you have to place your finger, right? ये ASDLF ये वाली रो और JKL ये वाली रो पे आपकी fingers होनी चाहिए. So we always place our fingers on these keyboards for before we start. right? So this is the home row, right, from where we start. It is basically the middle row, right? ASDF is for use for left hand typing and JKL पे आपका right hand होना चाहिए. Each finger of both the hands has dedicated key assigned to it. For every finger, there are some keys assigned to it, and they are to be pressed with those fingers only. Right? एक QWERTY keyboard बनाया है इस हिसाब से. The design is made in such a way, keeping in mind that commonly pressed letters are in succession to the extended possible. राइट. सो जो कॉमनली यूज अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं उनको अलग अलग फिंगर्स के हिसाब से रखा गया है ताकि हम इजीली उसको टाइप कर सकें, राइट. सो इट हेल्प्स इन इम्प्रूविंग द यूज ऑफ बोथ द हैंड्स, राइट. जैसे अगर कॉमनली यूज अल्फ़ाबेट्स एक ही जगह पे हों तो फिंगर्स, एक ही हाथ की फिंगर्स ज़्यादा यूज़ होंगी, दूसरे हाथ की फिंगर्स कम यूज़ होंगी, तो उससे फिंगर्स पे स्ट्रेन ज़्यादा आएगा and the typing speed will be affected, that right, it will not help in improving. So the typing speed will improve if we have scattered kind of variation in the keyboard design. So QWERTY, that's why the QWERTY is commonly used, because इसमें सारे अल्फाबेट्स आगे पीछे इस हिसाब से लगाए जाते हैं ताकि दोनों हाथ जो हैं साइमल्टेनियसली इजीली यूज हो सकें एंड टाइपिंग स्पीड कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड, right? So, as a typist, one should be able to place the finger correctly every time the hand is taken to the keyboard. So, you should have a practice that the moment you bring your hand on the keyboard, your finger should be adjusted in such a way that it all automatically goes to the place where it should go, right? Although even if you see your keyboards, you whenever you feel time up keyboards देखना, keyboards में जो F और J की होती है उस पे छोटे से मार्क बने होते हैं, right? This F and J, यहाँ पे छोटे से मार्क बने होंगे, and these two are the keys where you'll put your index finger. So index finger आपको यहाँ रखना है, right? तो every finger will, like the index finger of your left hand will be placed on F, and that finger will be used for typing R, T, G, V, and C. Similarly, your index finger of the right hand will be on J. So it will be helpful in typing these 6 different characters. Likewise, अलग अलग की के लिए अलग अलग fingers होनी चाहिए. Right? This will do at the later end of the chapter. Right. So regular practice of your typing will increase your typing speed. Generally, anything above 60 WPM, that is words per minute, is considered as good typing speed. If you can type 60 words in a minute or more, then it is said that you have a good typing speed. Right? And various type of softwares are available, various types of sites are available where you can learn and master the art of touch typing. So rapid typing tutor is one type of example of it, right? So by the time it's a basic typing tutorial. Tutorial means it has stages. So keep on practicing as per the stages. Then by the time you finish going through all the sessions of the rapid typing, you would have mastered the professional typing. You can easily do the typing easily, right? With the speed. We have series of lessons in that particular software, and they help us to learn how to type properly without looking at the keyboard, right? नाउ स्टेजेस कौन कौन सी है इस टॉपिक सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर, टच टाइपिंग सॉफ्टवेयर में. स्टेज वन, इट इंक्लूड्स लर्निंग द होम कीज ऑफ द कीबोर्ड, राइट. Home key is the row starting from the caps lock to enter. So all the alphabets within capital caps lock and enter are part of home key. So stage one may will practice and memorize those keys, right, without looking at the keyboard, right. And then followed by will also practice the lower and upper rows also. सो होम की से ऊपर वाली रो और नीचे वाली रो की कीज को की प्रैक्टिस भी स्टेज 1 में ही कवर अप होती है. एंड लेटर ऑन how to use uppercase letter means capital letters and how to use special symbols. All this comes in stage 1 typing, so practice of all this comes here. In stage 2, this involves memorizing frequently used syllables and typing words. So जो ज़्यादातर आने वाले words हैं तो उनकी प्रैक्टिस की जाती है. And all this is done without looking at the keyboard, right? Stage 3 is where it's all about practicing typing to enhance the skills. So stage 3 में आप थोड़ा better typing कर सकते हो, right? It's all about practice there in stage 3. Then we'll talk about tips. Tips may first of all is the hand position on the keyboard. This I've just told you. तो A, S, D, F पे आपका ये 4 fingers होनी चाहिए, and J, K, L, and then colon and semicolon, where this your right hand 4 fingers must be there, and thumb can be used for space bar and all. Left index finger is reserved for all the red keys. You can see red means these are all red keys, right? So with this left finger you can press these 8 type of keys, and right index is for green one, right? So these all 8 keys are for right index finger. Likewise, if you see this middle finger of the left hand will be used to type these 5 keys, the blue one, right? And in this, these 4 keys for the right hand middle finger, and the yellow keys for the third finger, right? Ring finger. ये 5 येलो वाली उसके लिए, इधर की येलो लेफ्ट हैंड के इन रिंग फिंगर के लिए. And rest all should be done with the help of your the fourth finger, right? All these and all these, right? And thumb should be used for the space bar, right? So FDSA for left hand, JKL for the right hand. These are the base positions, the starting positions, right? So every time you lift or move your hand right to the return a finger to the base. So whenever you are typing, type it, come back to the base. Like if you want to type U with the hand, so right the index finger say you type karo and bring your finger back to J. Right, so this should be the working condition, right? And use the projection of F and J keys to do so without looking, and all should be done without looking at the keyboard. So J and F आप projection याद रखो, F कहाँ पे है और J कहाँ पे है, आपकी index finger वहाँ होनी चाहिए, right? Then the base position on the numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is that number 1 जो right side पे होता है. It should be key number 5 for the middle finger, 4 for the index, and 6 for the ring finger, right? Right, 4 for the index, 5 for the middle, and 6 for the ring finger. And then you can subsequently use up and down. Ring finger से ये चारों, और middle finger से ये, or this is for index fingers, and this 0 can be used with the thumb, and the fourth finger, the last one, the smallest one, that can be used for pressing these 3 keys. इसीलिए कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस बनाए गए हैं ताकि we can easily understand the things, right? So use your little finger to hold the shift key. Shift key must be handled with the help of the little finger, the fourth finger, right? And so this is generally used when we want to type a capital letter or certain symbols like this, symbols which are there on F1, F2 and all. So this is the basic positioning, how we place our fingers there on the keyboard. This is how we should place it. और जो मैं बात कर रहा था, ये F और J जो है, जहाँ पे आपकी इंडेक्स फिंगर्स आनी है, यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे मार्क्स होते हैं, आप कीबोर्ड पे चेक करना, राइट. Then we'll talk about how to sit while typing. Body posture is very important when you sit. First of all, legs and feet. Sit up straight. Keep your feet flat on the floor, right? Always put your feet flat on the floor. Avoid tuckling your legs beneath you or extending them forward. तो legs को आगे भी नहीं रखना है, उनको tuck in भी नहीं करना है. You should not fold them somewhere. So sit properly and sit erect, and moreover your back should be straight and the feet should be touching the ground, right? Arms, adjust your chair and keyboard height so your elbow are at 90-degree angle and your arms are close to your sides, right? So arms must be closer to the body and the elbow angle should be 90-degree, right? So such should be the height of the chair and the keyboard. So adjust your keyboard and chair as per that height, राइट. ना ही हाइट ज़्यादा, चेयर ज़्यादा नीचे हो, ना ही चेयर ज़्यादा ऊपर हो और टेबल नीचे हो, राइट. ये 90 डिग्री मोड पे हो और द अपर आर्म शुड बी क्लोजर टू द बॉडी, राइट. स्क्रीन डिस्टेंस शुड बी एटलीस्ट 50 to 80 सेंटीमीटर्स. सो 50-80 सेंटीमीटर्स तक का डिस्टेंस आपका स्क्रीन का और आइज का होना चाहिए, राइट. टॉकिंग अबाउट रिस्ट एंड हैंड्स, कीप रिस्ट स्ट्रेट and fingers curved upon the keys. As you can see this hand, wrist को आप कीबोर्ड से या नीचे बेस के साथ टच मत करो, उनको हवा में रखो. Keep it raised. Fingers should be curved on the keys and thumb hanging near the space bar. Your thumb should be near the space bar. Your wrist should be floating above. It should not be resting on प्लेटफॉर्म. रिस्ट जो है आपकी वो हवा में फ्लोट करनी चाहिए, उसको आप टेबल के ऊपर रेस्ट मत कराओ. इट शुड बी पैरेलल टू द कीबोर्ड, राइट. अवॉइड टेम्पटिंग टू सेटल योर रिस्ट ऑन टू द रिस्ट पैड. रिस्ट पैड के ऊपर उसको सेटल नहीं करना है. यू कैन टेक ब्रेक्स इन बिटवीन इफ यू वांट टू. That's for break between typing, not when you are actually pressing the keys. Right. So whenever you are typing, your wrist should be up. It should not rest on the wrist pads. Right. And even then, if you want to give a break in between, so rest the palms of your hands on it, not your wrist. So always give rest to the palms, not to the wrist. Right. So that will be more beneficial. Head, face the screen with your head slightly tilted toward the forward. As you can see, it's slightly tilted, not too much tilted and not too much straight. हल्का सा नीचे को bend होना चाहिए. And keep your eyes focused on the copy you are typing. Your eyes should be straightly focused on whatever you are typing, from where you are typing. ठीक है. So remember, height of the table and chair should be such that you are comfortable with your feet, legs, arm position as explained earlier. Right? ये wrong posture है. Legs आपकी आगे जा रही हैं, body पीछे की तरफ bend है और elbow से जो angle बन रहा है that is more than 90 degree, so this is wrong. Head is also settling there. Right? Wrist is on the table, resting on the table. So this position is wrong. Right? Some more guidelines are also written that we should keep in mind while typing. Finger to key mapping. Press key only with the fingers for which they have been reserved. So जो fingers की positions हमने पीछे की हैं, so all these keys should only be pressed with these fingers which are meant for it. Okay, don't use your other fingers there. Right? Sometimes we use one hand only for typing. That is wrong. सो फिंगर्स वही रहें यूज़ करें जो एक पर्टिकुलर की के लिए हमने डिफाइन की हैं. Then speed, build up your typing speed gradually. Don't rush up every time. You have to do it gradually. Do it one by one, slowly by slowly. In the initial stage, getting your finger to key mapping right is important. So first thing important is that कि आपकी fingers जो है उस key map के accordingly अपनी जगह पे automatically जाए. So that thing is the first important thing. Even if it means slow down in your typing, even if your typing speed is slow a bit in the beginning, but you should do it gradually the way the key map is made, right? So initially slow होगा, धीरे धीरे वो improve होगा. Then limit your hands and finger movement. So hand movement and finger movement should be limited. It's not that you keep on typing with one hand and then you keep using your hand all over the keyboard. That is wrong. Your hands should be still and your fingers should move only that whatever is required, right? And always keep them close to the base position. All the fingers should be just near to the base positions, right? This improves in typing speeds. Applying force while typing, don't press the keys very hard. Try and use minimum possible force. So don't press the keys in a harder way. You just be light और हल्के से फोर्स से ही जो भी मिनिमम पॉसिबल फोर्स है आपका कैरेक्टर प्रेस हो रहा है तो यूज दैट ओनली. Don't look at the keys when you are typing, right? As J and F keys are the home row keys, right? So use that for projection, and then don't look while type. Always try to practice without looking at the keyboards, right? So these are some of the guidelines we must follow while typing on the keyboard, right? So these are some of the exercises which we should do, right? Like type the following. This all is done based on the finger positions, right? So if you want to type this, so ये J और K का combination है जो ये right hand की practice होगी ऐसे, right? ये F और D का combination है. This will help us to improve our left hand combinations, right? So open notepad or Word and then start practicing these things, right? Let's talk about some software, this software, rapid typing software, rapid typing tutor software, and then we'll do the practice next time, right? First of all, so this software is designed to teach an individual, adult, or kid how to use keyboard more efficiently, right? So we have some typing gaming options also, which help us to do it in a better way. And it is one kind of extensive training statistics. So it has certain customized lessons, which are very rarely seen in some of the expensive products. So customized lesson मतलब बने हुए lessons हैं, आपको सिर्फ उनको follow करना है, and then that will always that will help you to improve your typing speed. So it has interface which is very colorful. So colorful की वजह से वो थोड़ा और attractive बन जाता है. And it also has various visual clues to help the adults and kids to master the keyboard, right? So certain clues are also there, which visual clues मतलब आपको सामने स्क्रीन पे कुछ clues मिलेंगे जिसकी हेल्प से आपकी कीबोर्ड पोजीशनिंग जो है फिंगर्स की वो बेटर हो जाएगी. And at the end, progress statistics is also shown that okay, how much progress you have made, how much things you have done, right? It is also shown that how much progress you have made, what all, and it is shown in the form of tables and charts. Now for using this software, there are certain system requirements, that your system should be at least Windows XP or higher version Vista 7, 8 or 10, right? So it also uses 64-bit version. It is available in the website. It also works on Linux, and kindly switch on, somebody has mic on.
साढ़े फोन रेट को ऐसे एक्सपेंड कितना लेके
किसी का माइक ऑन है बेटा, बंद करना. Divakar, I think it's your mic is on. So I was talking about system requirements. There are so Windows XP is a minimum requirement. Then it also works on Linux and Mac OS, right? Um, then minimum display should be 860 by 420, and ये सब commonly available होता ही है सब में. Text size 100% होना चाहिए. PC keyboard or touch sensitive screen can be used, and PC keyboard can also be used. They should be there. Display में आपको 256 color resolution, high color resolution चाहिए. Then 30 to 40 MB free space on the hard disk for the files to be stored, and 128 MB RAM is the minimum requirement. Although ये सारी requirements हमारे normal computers, laptops में होती ही है, right? How do we install? This is the link given. All of you can refer this link. इस link पे जाओ और वहाँ से आपको rapid typing software का version मिल जाएगा. Choose your version which you want to download. You'll find all sort of versions there, right? Right. So download and then install it. It's easy to install. There are very easy steps. And finally, how do we start? Go to start menu, click on rapid typing. उसके बाद version number होगा 5 point something and all. Just click on that name, or sometimes we also have one icons on the home screen from where you can start on the desktop also. This is the opening the home screen, and the components, if you see on the top, we have the current lesson, and then this is the statistics option from where you can learn how much you have done, what is the progress, what are your progress. This is the option for lesson editor from where we can change the lessons, you can modify the lessons, right? And this is the virtual keyboard which is given here for just for your reference, ताकि आप सामने से देख के आइडिया ले लें कौन सी की को, कौन सी फिंगर को प्रेस करना है, right? And this button is to start the lesson. From here we can start the lesson. ये आपके lessons की list है, right? These are all different lessons, and this is pause and start button, and text panel will display the text that you need to type. So जो सामने दिख रहा है कैरेक्टर आपको वही टाइप करना है. ये रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स जो है वो आपको बताता है कि कौन सा की आपको अब प्रेस करना है, right? Then we have the taskbar on the top. This full line is called as taskbar, and we have certain option buttons here. These are all related to settings that you can do in the software, right? So that's all about this. Now ये components के बारे में हम detailed next class में करेंगे. Fine. So let's end up now. Okay. Only Divakar is left. Okay. Good.